Starting off my marination process with some chopped onion, some thyme, some hot pepper, and scallion. If you don't like your seasoning showing up in your food while you're eating, you could go ahead and chop them very fine like this. I'm pretty sure they will dissolve by the time you're finished cooking. Okay, so after chopping up my chicken, I'm gonna add some seasonings to this. This is all-purpose Cajun seasoning. Then I'm gonna add, this is meat seasoning. Then I'm gonna add my special. Then I'm gonna add some black pepper. And I almost forgot my curry. And there you have it. So now I'm gonna leave this for about 15 minutes to soak. Then let's get cooking. And these are my vegetables for my curry stew. It's sweet pepper, tomato, carrots, and Irish, and a piece of thyme. For those of you who want to know why I didn't put any salt on the chicken, the seasoning that I use are very salty, so it's not necessary unless after almost finished cooking, you taste it and you feel like you want more salt, then you can add it to it. But don't do that unless you're sure. So the chicken has been soaking for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's ready. And this is my childhood pot. Yes, you'll be seeing this pot a lot in my videos. My mom has been using this pot for as long as I've known myself. And no matter what, the food always tastes delicious. So I asked her for it and she passed it down to me. So this is my favorite pot, okay? And now my oil has been hot. You can see my 2 cloves of garlic in there. I'm not a big fan of garlic, but in order to get that garlicky flavor in my meal, I burn the garlic so the flavor comes out in the oil. Then when it starts burning, I throw it away. I know a lot of people can relate to that. They don't like garlic at all. How many of you can relate, like you're eating some food and then all of a sudden you have this garlic taste in your mouth? It's disgusting. I don't like it, so I find a different way to get rid of it. And there's another way you can fine chop it really fine so it dissolves while the food is cooking. See, now my garlic has been burnt. I can smell that flavor coming out. I'm gonna go ahead and add my curry. Growing up, I always hear my grandma say, if you don't burn the curry, it will run your belly. But science proved that is not true. And once the curry is cooked properly, I think this is more likely to give it, the meat, a little color. And now now that my curry is burnt, I'm gonna add my meat. Yep. So I add all these seasoning to it, so while it's catching the color, all that flavor is going down into the bones, into the skin, into the flesh of the meat. So there you have it. This is the result of my chicken after having it to catch a little color. And I did throw about 5 pimento seeds into it. That gives it much more flavor. Look at this, guys. and it's not halfway finished. Alright, so I'm gonna cover this for about 5 minutes. Let it get some more juice, and then we'll add the vegetables. So now I'm gonna add my liquid along with my vegetables to my chicken.
Top it there again.
I'm coming, baby.
Bang, 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 bang.
You just want to go ahead and stir that in. So bear in mind that my chicken here is halfway cooked. So you can put the your stove on a medium heat and then just cover that back up.